In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Expedia. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is first start on the Afterpay website. I recommend doing this on a web browser on your computer, but you can also do this on your phone through a web browser or the app itself. Within the Afterpay website or app, simply look for Expedia and the brands, and Expedia should immediately pop up because this is an officially supported brand by Afterpay. Once you click the Expedia on the Afterpay app or website, you will be redirected to this page, the Expedia website. But as you can see here, it has this top row that shows you that Afterpay is being used. As long as you have this icon at the top, you will know that you are eligible for Afterpay payment. Look for the flight, stay, whatever you want inside the Expedia website. And once you go through with the process to payment, select Pay Now and then scroll down and you should immediately see on the payment method Afterpay already selected. Of course, you have to go through the link to have it automatically selected, but if for some reason it defaults to debit or credit card, PayPal or anything else, make sure you select Afterpay and you will be able to pay using Afterpay as you want. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on Expedia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.